is a ready-made salad, and you have to pick one vegetable each, and you have to keep it on this tray. Chalo. Now, Jia, show me. You have to show me 3 vegetables which we can use in salad making. Okay? Show me one by one. Tomato. Yes. Then. Yes. Cucumber. Yes. Then. Yes. Capsicum. Check for Jia. Okay. Now it's Karmaraj's turn. Karmaraj, get me 3 other vegetables which we can use in salad making. Onion. Very good. Then. Carrot. Yes. Then.